Hi, I welcomed you to the new video. In this video we will make a sphere-shaped map animation in After Effects. Then dear friends, if you like and subscribe to the video, you will support us so that more videos like this will come. Let's get started. First we create a new composition. We write the name of the composition as Earth. We set the resolution to 1920 × 1080. We set the FPS value to 30, the background color to black. Then we import our map image. While importing, activate the composition button. You can download the map image from the description section. After importing the image, we add the CC ball action effect from the effects to our image. And we adjust the values as you see in the video. Now we copy one from the map and delete its effect. We add stroke to the image we copied. And from advanced blending we make the fill opacity 2. Then we make the stroke color white and change its value. Now we come to the first composition. We opened and add the map composition here. And we add the CC sphere effect to the map composition. We set the radius to 500. The render outside. Then we start the Y rotation at 0. Move the cursor to the end and write 1x to the rotation. We copy one from the composition, and change the render of the copied one to the inside. We change their names so that they do not mix. Then we select the layer inside, add the fastbox blur effect from the effects. And make the blur radius 5, and the iteration 2. Now we go to the map composition, create a white solid, move it to the bottom layer. Then we add the CC star burst effect to the solid we created. And set its size to 25. Then we go back to the first composition and open the adjustment layer. And we change its name and write glow. Then we add the glow effect from the effects to the glow layer. Make the glow threshold 65 and the glow radius 30. Then we copy the glow layer. We change its name. Delete its effect. We add the hue and saturation effects from the effects. We activate the colorize tick and change its settings as you see. Now let's watch. It looks very good. Of course, you can change the colors as you wish. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.